So I just got back from the Rebecca Minkoff Backstage a little bit ago, and I changed into my Alice and Olivia look because they are also doing a really exciting virtual show today. And now I'm headed to the actual Rebecca Minkoff presentation. Super excited to check it out. Saw everything backstage and got a sneak peek, but I don't know what the presentation is going to actually look like and the setup and everything. So can't wait to show you guys. Hey guys, so it is day 3 of New York Fashion Week. It is my last day staying at the Roxy Hotel here in Tribeca. But before I watch my last shows and pack up and get ready to head back to my house, I just received some incredible pieces from ASOS. So I'm gonna run outside and shoot these in the cold. Not sure how much behind the scenes I'm gonna be able to film because it is freezing outside today, but this is my first look. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you an update. I got home from the Roxy last night. That's where I was staying for the past few days while I attended a few things for Fashion Week and created a ton of fun content in Tribeca. So now I am home, but I am not ending the vlog quite yet because I have one more New York Fashion Week virtual show, but it's not until Friday, so it's a little bit later than all of my other shows. But I just got a look in the mail for the show. It is tomorrow, and I'm super excited to shoot it and to virtually attend and all that. So I'm going to include that in the vlog still, so not going to end it quite yet, but stay tuned for tomorrow for that look and that show. Can't wait to bring you guys along virtually for my last New York Fashion Week event. Hey guys, so it is the last day of New York Fashion Week and I am back at my house. The last show of Fashion Week for me is the Nicole Miller show. It is today at 5 p.m. So the Nicole Miller team sent me this really fun look to wear. I love this sweater and this skirt, and I paired it with these pink tights. But I'm just getting ready to shoot it in front of this white wall in my house, and then I put this just white tablecloth down to kind of make it a vibe and give it kind of like a studio vibe, photo studio vibe, but Dave is gonna shoot it for me, so we'll show you guys a little behind the scenes. So I just finished watching the Nicole Miller virtual show and I absolutely loved the video they created. It was so cool and the collection was epic as always. So that is a wrap on another New York Fashion Week vlog. Thanks so much for following along, guys, and I'll see you soon.